Warning, maximum silliness levels.
Whoa! Did we make that? Oh no! I think it's starting to fade. Maybe it only works from one spot?
I believe that the sun needs to be behind you. Put your backs to the sun!
We are making it!
Correction. The sunlight is making it. The water is helping.
So the hose is like a rainbow machine?
Fairly accurate science statement. Let's investigate further.
Portal activated! Wait! Let's take the rainbow with us! Yes! Ooh! What's that?
A portable light splitter, more commonly known as a prism.
That sounds awesome!
For this experiment, we need a fake sun.
It's doing the same thing!
White sunlight looks plain, but hidden inside are many colours.
Like a secret rainbow sandwich.
Acceptable explanation.
The prism bends the light!
Correct. Each colour bends differently.
So water droplets do that too?
Exactly. Let's take a closer look. When sunlight enters a water droplet, it bends, reflects off the inside, and bends again as it exits.
Welcome to Droplet World! Whoa! We're inside a droplet?
100% correct.
The light changed direction.
That is called refraction.
It bounced. If the bending is refraction, then the bouncing must be reflection.
Affirmative.
It turned into a rainbow! Every color bent differently.
Correct. Nibble. Why don't you lead the way?
Rainbow ride!
The droplet bends the sunlight, reflects it once inside, then splits it into colours as it leaves.
So every droplet makes a tiny rainbow?
Exactly.
And millions together make one big rainbow!
Correct.
We have to make a bigger one! Higher! Higher! We did it! Science is awesome!
Confirmed. New conclusion. Cats cannot be trusted.
Can you make a rainbow with water spray at home? Try a hose or spray bottle with an adult.
Sun at your back. Water in the air.
Rainbow science everywhere!